about my business updates, life updates, like what has been going on with you.
Inception.
Hi guys, welcome back again to Start Up with Breakthrough. At Start Up with Breakthrough, I share business tips, I share realistic business ideas, and I also share my journey as a business owner. So this channel is for business owners who are on the journey of growing their business and individuals who want to start their business in Nigeria and in Africa. I share realistic tips, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. More than subscribing to my channel, please give me a thumbs up. More than give me a thumbs up, please drop your feedback in the comment section and I will always reply. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for like you guys have been the VIP. Like I have been away for like a month and you guys kept, like, my subscribers have just been going up and up and up. So I'm back again to give you guys value. I'm back again to share my business experience, and on today's episode I'm just going to share about my business updates, life updates, like what has been going on with you. So I'm about to share that, so follow through. Now, first of all, I had a lot of issues in July, and I know you won't even notice because I just kept putting out content, but things were a really bit, I had a lot of struggle with my business in July, and the struggle came because I lost a staff, and not losing the staff, like something now happened, like I lost two staffs at the same time. So I had to step back to understand what was my business goals, like what is causing the rift, what is causing the leaving and all that. And then I noticed that one of the things was most of my staffs were living far, and with the way inflation is going in Nigeria and things are changing, I have to change the system of hiring staff. So I have to hire more staffs that live closer, because I'm not even able to pay so much to cater for those long journey down to workplace and all that. So I was able to go through that, and that was fine. Then something happened, like, you know, when you pray for your business to grow and your business now grows, but it's growing and you have to catch up with the growth. So that kind of thing happened to us within July and August. We had a lot of inventory, like business was growing when it comes to inventory, and we needed to make sure that items that are coming in are being sold. So a lot of things had to change, staffing had to change, our inventory arrangements, hanging arrangements had to change. Like, I'm going to show you guys like a video of all the processes, like
important things we had to do was to just clear out the store, remove the old hangers that we had. I had to go to the market to pick up some things. Like majorly, we had to change a lot of things, and this was the biggest change I have done in a very long time. So I had to go to the market. We needed to buy new dozens of hangers. We needed to do new welding, new inventory system. Like everything had to change. So on this day I went to the market to just pick up a few things, and just this part of the vlog covers that. From here you move to where we were working on the items, where we were working on getting measurements of the new handling system and all that. So all of this is covered in the vlog, so keep watching and don't forget to
something just to keep me breathing. I'm holding on to a different kind of love, to what we used to be back then. waiting for me to drown. Fine, I'll go first. Where were you at my worst? You're getting good at leaving me alone to hurt. Trying to find another reason, something just to keep me breathing. I'm holding on to a different kind of love, to what we used to be back
So this took
then.
like 2-3 days, but I'm happy that we were able to finish up and we started arranging the clothes. Like arranging the clothes and doing new inventory took another 1 week, but I'm happy that this is it. Like this is it, and this made a lot of sense and made work easy for me.
It's like I had to start doing new stuff, hiring new staffs, and all of this like had to change. And it also had to like it kind of affected me mentally, because for me, I like to concentrate on one thing and do it well. I don't like to just be all over the place, and my business is something that is really important to me, so I had to put that together. So I had to just pause a bit on a lot of things so that I'm able to have peace of mind. I like that my business is running and I can do other things, but if it's not running well and I'm doing other things, that means I'm just going to come back one day and things are falling apart and it has failed. But thanks be to God, like glory be to God, that things that God has been faithful. God has been faithful. I know I don't make my channel about all that, but God, like I'm a very firm believer of Christ, and I believe that Jesus died for me. I believe that like Christ died for me, and so I'm a Christian, like not just a Christian, I'm a very strong believer. So I know that God has been very faithful. He has showed up for me severally, and so by God's grace, like we went from struggling with our landlord. My landlord just woke up one morning and said to increase rent, and if you're not going to pay, you're going to leave. And my store is my store, like it's important to me. So we went through that process, and God came through, and we were able to settle all of that. And so now we're even thinking of getting a new store in a very bigger location and all that, but for now we have this place now. So I was able to just like put things in my business together, get new staff in, find a way to elevate our marketing, because we have to triple our revenue this quarter. So find a way to elevate our marketing. So like this is just more of what is going to happen for us in the next quarter, like in September, October, November, December. I'm hoping that by December I'm just going to come back and give you guys feedback. But so far, like all our structures is in place, operational is in place. So the next thing for us is to be able to conquer our marketing goals, hit our marketing goals, conquer it, and like hit more goals in this next quarter. So like this is my cue to ask you, how's your day going? How's your business going? Like what struggles are you having? You can share with me in the comment section, and if I'm able to help, I'll find a way to help.